Your customers already text you. The real question is where those texts land and who can see them. Every text to your business number lands right here, in one shared inbox, not on someone's personal phone. Your whole team sees the same conversations, so whoever's free can pick one up. Open a conversation and you get the full thread. Emma texted about a leak. Jess replied first, then Paul took it from there. Same number, same thread, the team just keeps it moving. And it's not only text. Emma sent a photo of the unit and a voice note explaining the problem right in the conversation, so everyone has the full picture, not just a name and a number. Replying is simple. You type your message and it goes out from the business number, never your personal cell. You can attach a photo or record a voice note of your own, and it ties into your calls. When someone rings and no one picks up, Allo texts them back automatically, turning a missed call into a conversation right here in the same inbox. And that's it. Now you know how to text your customers from your business number with Allo.